What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Tim with Adrenaline HQ, and I'm here with Don in his sweet, what is this? Tell me about your van, Don.
This is a 170 EXT. Midwest Automotive Designs Passage was the builder,
Okay.
and then I took care of doing all the other bits that needed to be wrapped up on it to make it off-road worthy.
It's a pretty sweet build. It's a huge 3500 dually, originally a dually.
XD, yep.
Yep. So massive van. We did a super single conversion on it. It's been here at our shop for a while. Kind of what happened was you came out to Van Wild last
Correct.
fall.
Yep.
And did you have fun?
Had a blast.
Okay.
Met some amazing people, killer vans.
Yep.
Great time.
And you broke your van.
Broke the van.
Day one?
Day two.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I guess day 1.5.
Okay. So broke your transfer case doing some off-roading up in the mountains. We got it back to the shop, kind of limped it back to the shop. Ended up towing it to the dealership, and we thought we were going to get the transfer case replaced under warranty. They denied the warranty claim.
Correct.
Due to having some aftermarket upgrades on the van. Long story short, we got the van back here to our shop, and then instead of us replacing the transfer case with a stock unit, we replaced it with an Atlas 3-to-1 upgraded transfer case.
Yes.
So Agile Offroad has partnered with Advanced Adapters to create this massive burly transfer case unit for the Sprinter. They've integrated everything to work seamlessly with the Mercedes electronic system, with the chassis, and we are one of 2 places in the country where you can get the system installed. It's either us or Agile Offroad. So we put the system in, and now Don has one of, I think, only 8 vans in the country with a true 3-to-1 transfer case for his Mercedes. So if you want to check it out here, we've got a really badass twin stick setup where you can do a true crawl gear in your Sprinter. So we're going to go ahead and throw her into low range and do a little crawling. So right now we're in rear wheel drive low, first gear. So that's about top speed in first gear is, just over 15 miles an hour. Something like this weighs, I think you're weighing about 12 to 13,000 pounds.
That's heavy.
And the major problem with these vans in stock form is that you can't get a low enough gear, even in the 4 low that comes from the factory, you can't get a low enough gear to really crawl over obstacles. You've got to hit everything that you're trying to drive over in an off-road scenario with so much speed to get over it. And that is what leads to the kind of catastrophic failures that we see time and time again, like Don's broken transfer case, because you're having to back up and just slam into obstacles, drive over stuff in an extremely rough manner. So essentially what happened was Don went over a big obstacle, got a front wheel in the air, and due to the nature of the front differential with these Sprinters, he unloaded the right front wheel with the 3-to-1 sun gear set up in the front diff. That right front wheel started spinning 3 times faster than everything else in the drivetrain. As soon as that front wheel hit the ground, it immediately shock loaded the rest of the drivetrain, and the weak link was the transfer case input shaft. That snapped, and then it was game over from there. So that is now solved with the Atlas transfer case. And now, not only did we just replace it, we replaced it with a much burlier unit, and we solved the problem of having to mash through obstacles. Now he can just simply crawl through obstacles and really enjoy off-roading and not just have to kind of fight your way through stuff. You could just simply crawl, pick your line, and be much easier on his equipment. So in addition to doing the transfer case, one other kind of prerequisite to installing this transfer case is having matching gears in the rear. So we did an Agile ARB air locker in the rear with 418 gears. So that was changed from the 392 stock gearing in the back. So now he's got a fully locking rear differential and the transfer case in the front. So you can do fully locked rear wheel drive, high or low. You can do front wheel drive, high or low, and you can engage those independent of each other. So you could run this thing in front wheel drive only, low or high range, should you have a failure in the back, and just need to crawl home in front wheel drive, which is unheard of with a Sprinter. So pretty damn awesome. And the best part is 0 lights on the dash, no warning lights, no issues. Everything is fully integrated with the Mercedes chassis. Unlike some of the 4-wheel drive swaps that are out there where you're dealing with crazy lights on the dash, you're dealing with, you know, compromising your system for the sake of having a true 4-wheel drive. This integrates beautifully. All of the electronics work properly. We did some extra programming with it. We did our speedometer calibration module. So with these super single tires, he's running 295s. The speedometer is spot on. So we calibrated that. The odometer is reading correct now, so his fuel economy, his miles per gallon calibration is correct. We programmed the lane assist off so that we don't have that pesky lane assist cutting in and interfering while he's driving. What am I missing, Don? I think we
covered it all.
Pretty much covered it all.
IO pedal commander as well.
We did it. Yeah, we did an IO pedal to kind of smooth things out there. We did a Kerma performance tune as well. So we have additional horsepower here, especially driving up high, because you're pretty much leaving this van out west. So you're going to be spending a lot of time in the mountains at elevation, and that tune performs extremely well at high elevation. So really, from when you dropped this thing off a few months ago when it was broken till now, I mean, it's truly a completely different vehicle. I'm really stoked to hear what you think of it once you get out there and kind of explore with it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. What do you think, man?
Yeah,
I'm stoked to go drive.
Couldn't be happier. Yeah, super stoked, and a big shout out to Tim, to you, to your whole Adrenaline family, and also to the guys at Agile. It really is an insane setup, and I'm happy to have it in the van. Look forward to a lot of years of use.
Yeah, well, appreciate everything, Don. Thanks for filming for me today.
No
and
worries.
If you guys want to learn more about the system, you can find more information on our website. The link is below in the description. You can sign up to have an air locker and an Atlas transfer case installed in your van if you have a 4-wheel drive Sprinter 2007 to 2022. 4-wheel drive Sprinters 2500 or 3500. Sign up on our website, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.